Yeah, this is the look of a tired guy. Gotta get to that mailbox though and see if we got any mail though for this week. Let's roll the intro and I'll clean this up before we do more stuff. Roll it. Just got home from the mailbox and there's something here from Singapore. What could it be? Let's head into the garage and rip this thing open. Let's see what we got. All right, welcome back to the ChopperFett garage, guys. So today, very special mail call. I've been waiting on this piece of mail for almost a month and a half now. It's from my man FletchDyna. Dude, been waiting a long time. So when I get to opening this up, I just do want to let you guys know that Fletch and I are also working on a collaboration effort as well. So stay tuned to both of our channels and you'll see more to come on that. But for now, let's see what we got. All right, Fletch never disappoints with what he sends. So let's take a look at the letter first and see what he has to say. Hey Chopper, hope you like the poker chips and stickers I sent you. I'm glad that we get to be part of this motovlogging community. I enjoy your videos. Hope you hit the next milestone of 100 subscribers and take that damn helmet off. That shows you how long ago he sent this, because that's been ages now, it feels like, since I did my face reveal. I also sent you my channel sticker and another, which is Dyna Forever, which I hope you like as a owner of Dyna. Thank you, and you have safe rides ahead. Fletch. All right, man. Well, awesome. Yeah, you guys now know the reason why I've been waiting on this for so long. He sent this, I think, back in March. But let's get to his stickers here. So let's take a look at first his FletchDyna sticker. Let's go ahead and get a nice little close-up of that. Very cool, very cool. And then here is that Dyna Forever sticker. I might, Fletch, what do you think, buddy? You think I should go and put that one on the bike somewhere? Really think it might be worth doing. I don't know where, but somewhere like that, maybe? I don't know. Interesting one, for sure. All right. Then he had sent me 2 poker chips. The first is from Harley Davidson of, I'm going to butcher it, Frankendyna in Malaysia. So that's what that one looks like. Yeah, so for this next chip, I am going to let Fletch talk about it and explain the meaning of the symbol on the Harley Davidson of Singapore's poker chip. Take it away, Fletch.
Now, Singapore used to be a fishing village way back when it first started. It wasn't as big as it was before, maybe about 150, 200 years ago when it was discovered. And that was kind of our roots. And because of that, you chose this particular symbol to represent Singapore as a sort, so that they took it as a mascot. So they created it, right? So if you look at the entire picture, the bottom half of it is a fishtail, and the fishtail represents, of course, us being a fishing village where we used to be. And of course, the top part is the lion head, and the lion head represents Singapore, because Singapore in Malay is Singapura, which means Lion City. The history behind it was that when we were first founded by an Indonesian prince way back when, the first sight he got of when he got off the boat was actually a lion. So he decided to name this island the Lion City, or Singapore. So I do hope that you have safe rides, and I do hope that you're safe where you are in this day of crazy. Be safe, live free, ride hard, and have a good day.
All right, once again, here is that FletchDyna sticker, looking Very, very cool looking. It's going up on the board now. So again, I want to say thank you to Fletch for sending this out to me, and for the background on that other poker chip. That's I'm not a history buff, so it's cool to actually hear things along those lines. So let's go ahead and get him on the board. All right, where's Fletch going to end up? Right under Christopher David Lawson of NEPA. It's official, man. You are on the wall. Just wanted to give a big thank you to anyone who has sent me mail. I actually do have a few more pieces of mail around that I have not got a chance to film yet. That is going to be on my very next episode. I do promise you. So if you sent me anything in the last week or two, it will be up next Sunday. So thank you so much for everything. I hope you all have a great week. I think you might get another week straight of me posting videos. So stay tuned for Monday as I start a GoPro series reviewing the 8, the medium mod, and future cameras possibly. So thanks for joining, and I'll catch you on the dark side as this is the way. ChopperFett out.